In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Genspark AI desktop subscription. If you've decided you no longer want to keep the subscription active, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your web browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the Genspark AI website and make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing. This is important, especially if you use more than one login, because you'll want to cancel the subscription tied to the right account. After you're on the site and logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small icon there. Click that icon to open the account or settings area where your subscription options are located. From there, find and click on Manage Plan. This will take you to the section where you can view and adjust your current subscription details. Once that page opens, look for the Manage dropdown. Click on it to reveal more options related to your plan. In that drop-down menu, select Cancel Subscription. At this point, the platform will usually ask you for a cancellation reason before letting you continue. You can choose a reason such as too expensive, or select whichever option best matches your situation. After providing your feedback, click Confirm Downgrade to move forward. You'll then see one final prompt asking you to confirm your choice. This last confirmation is the final step, so go ahead and confirm it to finish processing the cancellation. After that, your subscription cancellation should be submitted successfully. It's always a good idea to review the account page afterward to make sure the change has gone through and to check whether your access continues until the end of the current billing period. That's all it takes to cancel your Genspark AI desktop subscription.